Hey there, welcome to today's programming video. Today, we're going to tackle a common problem that many developers face when working with text areas in Java applications. The problem we're looking at is the need for a custom tooltip in a text area. Specifically, we want to set different colors for different lines within the tooltip itself. Now, let's dive into the solution. The key here is to use HTML in the tooltip to format the text accordingly. By adding the font color equals red tag with the BR tag in the tooltip, we can achieve the desired color formatting for each line. The code provided demonstrates how to create a customized tooltip for the text area, with the first line in red, the second in yellow, and the third in blue. This adds a nice touch to the user interface and enhances the overall user experience. In summary, we've successfully addressed the problem of creating a custom tooltip in a text area by leveraging HTML formatting. By incorporating this solution into your Java application, you can provide users with a visually appealing tooltip that enhances the usability of your text editor. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Happy coding!